how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, and in today's quick video we're taking a look at what a similar audience is in Google Ads. So if you've ever heard of a lookalike audience in Facebook ads, well basically a similar audience in Google Ads is really the same thing, there's just a slightly different terminology or name that's used. So it's lookalike in Facebook and similar audience in Google Ads. And what that's all about is taking the data you've got on your remarketing lists or your website audience data, basically, and turning that into the ability to find people who are most similar to your current website visitors, your current customers, the people who are already purchasing or interacting through your site. So what you can do is use your Google Ads remarketing tag, or you can use your Google Analytics remarketing functionality in conjunction with linking that back to your Google Ads account, which is generally what I like to use. And what you're able to do then is say to Google, hey, find me people who are similar to, say, my website visitors. So that could be anyone who visits the site in, say, the last 30 days. Find me people who are most similar to them, who have the same sort of characteristics. Or maybe you want to get a little bit more specific and say, hey, find me people who are most similar to those who add a product to the cart but don't complete the purchase. Or maybe the sort of holy grail, as it were, is to say, hey, find me people who are most similar to the people who actually go through the checkout process and successfully purchase a product. So really all you're doing is using Google's functionality and sort of technology to find you people who are most similar to your current site visitors, your current converters, your current customers. That's really what similar audience is in Google Ads. It's a great way to expand your advertising. So if you're currently remarketing, for example, and you're thinking about the next step, how do you bring more people into the top of the funnel? Well, a great way to start could potentially be to go after that similar audience of converters or purchasers or even just website visitors, and utilize that to reach new people who have got the same characteristics as those who've already expressed an interest in your products or services, and then use that to grow your business online. So if you've got any questions about this, please do leave a comment. Please like and subscribe to this channel for heaps more digital marketing advice. I've got tons of videos already and many more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.